Hello everyone, Longmont Railway here. Over there, it's Ken Pratt Blvd crossing. And over there, Saint Vrain Greenway. Now, yesterday Peter informed me that some new tracks are being built right here. You can see you got a vehicle. Yeah. All a little bumpy right now. Right here's the main line, Front Range sub. And these are concrete ties, as you can see. Now right now I'm unsure about what these are for, but I think there are two things. One, this could be a potential new siding. Isn't likely, but you know. And another thing, it could be the RTD. So, my camera's about to die, but just want to give you guys an update. And December 8th, 2019. Alright, bye.